A week after the Air India crash that took place, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has now released new draft rules to tighten control over structures that could possibly pose a risk to aircraft safety. The draft titled Aircraft Demolition of Obstructions Rule was issued on the 18th of June and will come into force once published in the official gazette. The rules aim to give authorities a power to take prompt action against buildings and trees that could be exceeding the height limits in designated aerodrome zones. Let's go across to Aishwarya for more on this. Aishwarya, give us more details of what these new rules would now mean.
Well, both height and the parameter of the aerodrome would be controlled. Of course, there are several guidelines in the past as well that there is a designated area where you can't build any structure or plant trees, but it is now we have been given to learn that it is the aircraft demolition and obstruction rules draft that has been released after a week, and once the official gazette will come out, this will come into the force. We have been also told that this will enforce and give all the powers to the Civil Aviation Ministry to clear and to demolish these kind of structures which are near the aerodrome or towards the air path as well of the aircraft. We have seen in several locations in the country, specifically in Mumbai, or if we talk about Ahmedabad as well, it was just 1 kilometer away where the airplane crashed, and the height was not much, but although it first obstructed to a tree and then fall into a hostel. So now when these rules will be implemented, there will be a thorough check across the country just near the aerodromes whether there are structures which are above the height that has been designated to them, or if there is any tree which is beyond that height, that will be clearly demolished, and the powers would be on the Civil Aviation Ministry. So clearly new rules have been imposed, but how much it will be implemented, that remains to be seen.
That's right, Aishwarya, because there is, others who question this sort of focus that has come onto buildings around airports. This is the buildings, one would imagine, have already taken whatever requisite permissions to come up. And given, the nature of this crash, it's really 1 in a million. We don't expect planes in this day and age to really crash shortly after taking off. So, yes, it seems somewhat, I wouldn't say knee-jerk, but, an immediate reaction to the crash that took place, but one would imagine that not too many buildings would be violating rules around the airports.
Well, that's right. And one of the reasoning that the aviation experts have given to us is that when there were these airports that were built around those years, it was never such construction that were built. But as the development happens, and as the new master plans of different cities have taken place, there are these slums area and specifically these cluster areas would be built around, and that has been submitted in one of its reports by the aviation experts to the Civil Aviation Ministry in the past as well. But it is not about the low height structures. It is about the height which is beyond the prescribed limits, and that will be demolished if this rule comes into effect. And once the official gazette will be passed, these rules and these powers will be with the Civil Aviation Ministry. Of course, both of these structures of these buildings and of the trees which are beyond one height. So all of that would be demolished once this will be in effect. But of course, as I said, that this used to be one of the norm. These buildings had to take specific permissions which are in and around the airport premises. But it is, of course, now more measures will be taken, more checks will be done, and fresh guidelines will be issued to these buildings as well.